Welcome, question 24. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 36 meters. The length of the plot is 6 meters more than the width. We have to find the size of the width. So if I have a rectangle in this form, the length is 6 more than that of the width. So if the width is taken as y, this is going to be y plus what? 6. Now, how do we find perimeter of a rectangle? Is 2 times the length plus what? The width or the breadth. So let's do that substitution, whereby the perimeter is given to us as 36 equals to 2 times the length, which is now y plus 6, plus the breadth, which is also what? Y. Now, we divide both sides by 2, right? So 36 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, this is going to be y plus y will be 2y plus what? 6. If you divide, this becomes 18 equals to 2y plus what? 6. But what do? We are looking for y, so we subtract 6 from both sides. Minus 6, minus 6. This becomes 12 equals to 2y. Let's divide both sides by 2. Y is going to be what? 6. And y is the width. Therefore, knowing y as 6 means what? The width of the rectangle is going to be 6 what? Meters. And this is going to be the option B. I guess you understood. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.